because we have one.
So today I finally decided to take Schols, carried out by Trinity College Dublin on the second year of undergraduate study.
5 years, 3 tuition, free accommodation.
Only based on academic performance. It's very common that sometimes not even a single person actually gets Schols in a whole course. I have to take 4 papers, and 2 out of them are maths and the other 2 are physics. You need to get 70% as an average grade in order to actually get Schols, and to add another layer of difficulty, you can only get 2 papers lower than 70, and it has to be always above 65%. So it means doing 4 exams that are 2 hours long each, making sure that every single one you are consistent on it. For my course, physical sciences, physics, no one got it last year, and the year before there was only 1 person, and the year before that no one, and the year before that there was another person. So it is quite a difficult thing to do. You know, to be honest, I don't even believe that I have serious chances of doing this, but you know, I'm a try hard. I would do this kind of thing. So today it is the 18th of October. I'm here because I wanted to start documenting this process. If you're watching this, you will soon know the outcome of this, but for me it's still 3 months of preparation, and then the exams, and then another 3 or 4 months of waiting for the actual announcements of the Schols.
The first semester flew by, with most of my time consumed by lab reports and assignments. I barely had any time left for studying, let alone uploading videos here on YouTube. The workload was overwhelming, to the point where one day I even decided to spend 24 hours in the library just to catch up. 24 hours at the library, finally done. It's actually up on the channel, so you can watch it if you want. So as the semester progressed, the dimensions of the challenge I had started to sink in. I couldn't see how I would manage to revise all the content from last year while still trying to figure out this year's material. It was feeling closer and tougher than ever. To stay on track, a few of us who were attempting the exams formed a study group. We started meeting every Wednesday afternoon, helping each other stay accountable and work through the material together. Of course, we still got a bit distracted sometimes.
But Reddit says
No,
Reddit says this.
Like, you have the 3 things that we don't. Like,
Why do you have 3? But you have the 2 right now with you.
In phone chargers and stuff, you don't have 3 logs because why
yeah,
the hell do you have 3 logs?
what's your phone charger look like?
2-1. Yeah. This
Yeah,
one. Like every single one is like this.
Strange.
Before I knew it, December had arrived. After wrapping up my first semester exams, I headed back home to Spain for the final stretch of studying before the scholarship exams. Those weeks at home were intense. I was completely locked in, focused on cramming as much as possible. I was going through many flashcards, tackling past exam questions, and sending a few questions to the group chat when I felt I was completely lost. All I hoped was that something similar would appear on the exams. Finally, after 3 weeks of intense preparation, it was time to head back to Dublin and face the scholarship exams.
So today it is the final day before Schols. I arrived yesterday here to Dublin, and today I spent basically the whole day revising, doing questions. I have my 4 scholarship exams in 3 days. I have to be effective with my work, and I don't have that much time to revise between exams. Today was my last hope to kind of go over everything. I think I was sort of successful with that. It is almost 9 p.m. and I have stopped working, obviously. It's been intense, but it's also been really interesting actually. Like, I've never enjoyed studying so much, and also knowing that there's actually no pressure to perform well in these exams because they don't count for a grade. They're just there if you want to try getting the scholarship. One day before starting all the Schols exams, I am pretty nervous. I only have 1 chance. And getting Schols is equivalent to getting 35k, 40k euros. It is kind of a lottery ticket, but I'm gonna go show up, get my lottery ticket, try to get as many as I can, and then if I get chosen, I won't complain. Wish me luck. Oh my gosh, Mario, why are you doing this?
So, as you see right there, the 9th of January. Today is Tuesday. I already did 3 Schols exams. Yesterday, I had the full day, morning and afternoon, of math exams. And today In the morning I had physics. So yesterday I thought that it would be better to not film, just to gain some time to either sleep or study a bit more. I am 3 exams in. I have 1 more to go. First paper for maths that I did Monday morning, yesterday, was not easy. But then the exam that I did in the afternoon, Monday afternoon, was maths 2. I think I did even worse than in the first math paper. So yesterday basically I felt like it was done, and it's normal because they are really difficult exams, and like last year no one got it. So now the motivation for tomorrow is non-existent. Once again, waking up at 7, I'm just gonna go and show up, do another 2-hour exam. This is gonna be really hard. I'm just gonna go and do some studying for my last exam tomorrow. So as you can see, today it is the 10th of January, and that means that I have finished Schols. I just did my last Schols paper in the morning. You know it's bad when I'm saying that the best thing that I did was quantum mechanics. I am really glad that I am done. You know, I've been non-stop working since I arrived here on Saturday afternoon. I spent the whole day of Sunday revising. Monday I had 2 exams. Yesterday I had 1 exam. Today I had another exam. It was horrible. Bothering during Christmas holidays, arriving to Dublin 2 weeks earlier, having a stressful week, 8 hours of exams. Was it worth it? I think it was. I even enjoyed the challenge. I have felt part of a TV series. I felt like as if I was in Normal People doing the exam alongside Marianne and Connell, and it's been really cool. I watched the show in Spain, and then to be doing those exams in the same setting, literally feels like a movie. Tomorrow, really early, I'm catching a flight to England to visit my girlfriend and to have some holidays. I will see you guys in April when the Schols are announced. I know they're not gonna call my name, I'm very sure of that, but I do have some friends that I think they could get it, and I'm just excited for them, to be honest. Like, if one of my friends gets it, I'm going to celebrate as if it was me, the one getting it. So I will be filming that moment. I will see you guys on Trinity Monday, 22nd of April. I'll see you guys then. It's been just a bit more than 3 months. This is like a team. We all worked for this, and whoever gets it is the best thing ever. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Ciao.
It's a sunny day, love these days. Good day today, eh?
Great day. You excited?
Try go as slowly as possible when I get to the scholars. So absolutely delighted to see you all here, and now I'm going to go on to the formal bit of announcing names. Just want to say before we start there, I realise that as we stand around here there'll be people who'll be really delighted and people who will be disappointed, but I just want to say I think it's amazingly brave of all of our students who put themselves forward for scholarships, who work extra hard to do really extraordinary thing. With sadly comes this little consolation for those who won't get it today, to say we're proud of you all, but we really aren't. I think we should, before we start, give everyone a round of applause.
And now we wait for like 10 minutes.
So I'm going to read out the area, the number in that area, and then call out the names.
That's actually I knew it. The chemistry was up there in the alphabet.
Drama and theatre studies, we have 2. Economic and social studies, we have 1. In engineering, we have 2. English studies, we have 3. European studies, we have one. In history, we have one. In human health and disease, we have one. In law and French, we have one. In mathematics, we have one. In medicine, we have 8. In physical sciences, we have one. Erasmus.
Let's go!
That's why you came here, bro.
Told you, let's go! Let's go!
Oh my god.
If someone had to get it, it was you, bro. So
It was. Oh my god.
let's go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel pain. Right, I feel sick. I have down.
Okay.
Right.